Hey Dad, I've bought a house and I'm going to do it up all by myself. Because I remember watching you wallpaper with my granddad when I was a kid, so I think I can give it a go. I remember you sat in the garden, salting your nuts and bolts into different pots. Maybe I'll get my own toolbox someday too. I remember you saving wood for projects you might do someday. So if I find bits that look good, I'll remember to pick them up. I remember glossing the skirting boards and thinking about what a pain it was. I did not like that kind of paint. I remember watching you make your vegetable patch. I want wild strawberries in my garden too. And most of all, I want to show other people how to do DIY. I want others to experience the euphoria you feel when you do something that you didn't think you could. I want people to know it can be fun to learn how to do things for yourself, and that you need to, because your parents won't always be around. I wish this didn't have to be the last conversation that I had with you, Dad, and I wish you could see it, what I've done. Happy Father's Day, Dad.